Says cross traffic does not stop.
That's fine.
Oh, that's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's supposed to be US 40, right?
Yeah, it says S on the 40.
Yeah. Mosquitoes bugging you?
Nope.
Good. What did you say?
Should we go back?
Yeah, let's go back. Ah, shade. We're almost to the part where my Corvette is. Yeah, it's mine.
Where is your Corvette?
You saw it on the way up here, right?
No, I didn't.
It's on the other side over here. On the other side of these farmhouses. Parked in the front yard. All Corvettes are mine. Don't you realize that yet?
All Mustangs here?
All Mustangs, all Corvettes are mine. I just let other people drive them.
Oh.
I'm hot. This is the house with the Corvette. Hot shade.
Hopefully it's going to always be at the top 50 anyway, right? I don't know.
Maybe. Part that's like Need for Speed 5. Now we're talking. I can stop squinting for a while. I smell cookout. Where's the doggy? Where's the dog? Hi. Back in the sun. Temporarily. Yeah, me too. It's probably a good thing. Get a drink, Jordan, if you can.